Yes, a very good morning to all of you. Which chapter is going on? Air and water. Chapter number 10. Air and water. Yes, is everything clear to you? All the concepts? Yes? Okay. Yesterday, I asked you to solve the concept check given at 125 page. Let's discuss. You have to tally your answers with me. Okay. First one, Rajveer, stand up, achieve. Put the odd one out, giving reason. आपको reason B बताना है. First one is river, pond, rain, and tap. Which one is odd one out? Tap. How can you say tap? Tap is also source of water. It is main source of water. So rain है. Beta, you have to give solid reason. He said keep all others are source of water. So tap is also source of water. Then he said it is main source of water. Main source of water is rain. Yes. Yes. River, pond, and rain are natural sources of water. Tap is man-made. Okay? Tap is not natural. Or you can say rain को भी आप circle कर सकते हो. Then you have to give the reason कि rain is main source of water. Clear? Okay, then tap के लिए आपको reason देना पड़ेगा कि tap is not natural, others are natural sources of water. If you give an appropriate reason, only then you will get the marks. So first answer is tap. 125 page. Concept check. First answer is you can write tap or you can write the rain also. For tap, what is the reason? Rest all are natural sources of water, but the tap is man-made source of water. If you have circled rain, it is also correct. If you write rain is the main source of water, rest they all depend on rain. सब में रेन वाटर ही कलेक्टेड होता है जो हम यूज करते हैं. Second one, Jashan, stand up. Do it, beta. Read it out. Sand. How can you say sand? Very good. Sand is insoluble substance. Rest all are soluble in water. Do you know water is called a universal solvent? Solvent पढ़ा हुआ है ना हमने, तो चीजों को अपने में घोल लेता है. Because most of the things are soluble in water, so we call water a universal solvent. Okay. So second answer is sand. Because sand is insoluble, you have to write it with pencil. Sand is insoluble in water and rest all the substances are soluble in water. Then do the third one, Abhineet. Very good. Distillation, filtration, decantation, and sedimentation. Which one is odd one out? Or can you say sedimentation? Jashika? Distillation. Or? No, this is not, Miss, you are, yes, beta Harman. Soluble. Good. Very good. You should explain like this. Clear? कि distillation is used, it is a process used to remove, to separate water and soluble impurities. But filtration, decantation and sedimentation, they are used to separate insoluble impurities. जो पानी में नहीं घुलती, हमने किया था ना फिल्ट्रेशन, तो हमने क्या उसमें किसको सेपरेट किया था? सैंड, मड को वाटर से, बिकॉज दे डू नॉट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. बट डिस्टिलेशन मैंने आपको जो समझाया था उसमें क्या सॉल्ट मिक्स था वाटर में. ओके, सॉल्युबल इम्प्योरिटीज जो भी सॉल्ट मिक्स्ड होते हैं, we can separate them by the process of distillation, and in distillation we get 100% pure water. So next one is distillation. Distillation. सुहाना stand up. अभी मैंने आपको बताया डिस्टिलेशन का. कैन यू टेल विच टाइप ऑफ इम्प्यूरिटीज आर सेपरेटेड बाय दिस प्रोसेस? यस राजवीर, आप बताइए. व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ, व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग. Concept check का which part? What I have told right now. Is your talking more important? Yes. Insoluble जो होती है वो क्या होती है? पानी में घुलती हैं कि नहीं घुलती? नहीं घुलती. तो insoluble को हम कैसे हमने सेपरेट किया था? By filtration. तो मैं आपको पूछ रही हूँ डिस्टिलेशन में कौन सी सेपरेट होती है? डिस्टिलेशन में वो सेपरेट होती हैं जो वाटर में सॉल्युबल है, जो पानी में घुली होती हैं. दिखने में हमें प्योर वाटर लगेगा बट इट विल हैव सॉल्ट्स इन इट. तो उसको हम किस प्रोसेस से सेपरेट करते हैं? डिस्टिलेशन. डिस्टिलेशन में पानी को स्टीम में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. देन स्टीम इज कूल्ड to collect the water again. पहले evaporation, then condensation. Which two processes are followed in this process? Evaporation and condensation. Okay, sit down. Be very much attentive in the class. Yes, Sirath, do the next one. Yes. Evaporation. How can you say evaporation? Okay, you can say evaporation. ये भी correct हो सकता है if you say कि this process is not used to clean water. Distillation, boiling and chlorination, they are the processes used to clean water. बट इसमें आप क्लोरीनेशन भी कह सकते हो. इसमें केमिकल यूज होता है टू क्लीन वाटर, बिकॉज इवेपोरेशन में भी हम कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, सेपरेट कर लेते हैं. आया था ना इवेपोरेशन भी आपका. इवेपोरेशन इज द मेथड यूज्ड टू सेपरेट सॉल्युबल इम्प्यूरिटीज. उसमें इवेपोरेशन भी लिखा हुआ है ना. अगर हम उस बेस पे देखें तो क्लोरीनेशन, बिकॉज वी यूज अ केमिकल टू क्लीन. रेस्ट ऑल द थ्री वी डोंट यूज एनी केमिकल. इसमें क्लोरीन यूज हुआ था ना, क्लोरीन टैबलेट्स. तो बोथ वेज यू कैन गो, बट रीजन शुड बी करेक्ट. तो आई एम गोइंग फॉर क्लोरीनेशन. वी यूज केमिकल called chlorine tablets or chlorine powder to clean water, but rest of the three only heat is required. Okay, these are the processes to clean water, but only in chlorination a chemical is added. बाकी three में कोई chemical add नहीं करते. So I am going for chlorination. आपने बेटा करना होता है that you need to explain it okay, why I am selecting this option. Yes, for next one word answers, Brahmjot beta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, read the first one and do it.
What is the main source of water on the earth? And the answer is rain.
Very good. What is the main source of water on earth? Rain. What is main source of water on earth? Rain. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Yes, second one, Jasmeet. Better turn the mic on. Jasmeet. Are you there? Your video is off. But I'll not mark your presence if you don't respond.
मैम यस मैम मेरे माइक का थोड़ा सा इशू हो
बोलिए,
गया था
second one.
मैम सेकंड वन
Yes.
what kind of impurities are removed by distillation and the answer is germs.
Answer is
Germs.
germs. We can say soluble impurities. Okay, what is the answer? Soluble impurities. Salt may be there. Okay, germs may be there, but we have to say soluble impurities. What is removed by distillation? Soluble impurities. Yes, aapte. What do you mean by soluble impurities? Yes. Let her speak. Yes, Suvi. That mixed with water. Yes, very good. Which dissolved in water are called soluble impurities. जो घुल जाती है. For example, salt. Then next, Jatin, read it out. Yes, Japneet. Boiling. Most common is boiling. Whenever we have to clean water, so boiling is the most common method. But I don't think so. Okay, these days boiling is the most common. These days ROs are used commonly. At least in Punjab. I don't know about other areas, but chalo, okay, if we see all around the world or if we see all over India, so then boiling may be there. Chapter में भी लिखा हुआ है, तो we will go for boiling. Okay, boiling is the most common and easy because इसमें हमें कोई instruments नहीं चाहिए होते. Just we have to heat the water, then we have to cool it, then we can drink. Okay, then bacteria are killed when we boil the water at least for 10 minutes. Okay, then next one is fourth. Shivam. Yes, why chlorine is added to drinking water? Answer. Yes, I am asking Shivansh Pandey. Unmute yourself. Shivansh.
Yes.
See, beta, why do we add chlorine to drinking water?
Ma'am, because it pures the drinking water.
Kindly speak loudly, beta. Why do we
Because
add?
it drinking water. Ma'am, it removes the impurities.
It removes the impurities. Which impurities?
Ma'am, soluble impurities.
No, soluble impurities. Here is not the correct answer. Chlorine is added in order to, yes, it kills the germs and makes water pure. Chlorine is added to kill the germs. Chlorine is added to kill the germs. Because chlorine is added to kill the, and it makes the water pure. And it makes the water pure. So that's all about this. Odd one out and one word answers. Concept check. Now we will do long question answers. Take out your notebooks. One question is done. Then note down the second question answer. 128 page, second question. Question answers, 128 page. Second question is, read out. Second question. Describe the current layers of atmosphere. Yes, one question was there in short question answers where we have written all the names. Okay, layers, सभी layers के name लिखे थे. Now we have to describe them also. तब हमने discuss की थी description, but in written we didn't. Okay. Yes, Jasmine. Very first layer is, very good. Very first layer is troposphere. What do you know about troposphere? What do you have? Let us speak. Yes. Yes, all the weather changes takes place in this layer. Next line, Krishan. Next line, one more line about troposphere. Yes. Yes, we live in this layer. We live in this layer. At least 2 lines are enough. Yes, Virpal, what? Very good. It is the closest layer to the earth. I don't think कि मुझे ये लिखना चाहिए बोर्ड पे. You can write. Okay? जो बोल रहे हो, you have to write it. If any problem is there, तो I'll help you. It is the closest layer. Yes, write it. Troposphere is the closest layer to the Earth's surface. It is the closest layer to the Earth's surface. And we live in this layer. We live in this layer. Online students, very less attendance is there. Let me take your attendance. Aryan is present. Anhad. Ramjot. Diksha. Jasmeet.